Don't you wish your girlfriend had highlights like me? Don't you?
I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. No scrub. Scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I'm talking to you. If you let home to mama, oh yes, son. I'm talking to you. If you have a shorty that you don't show love, oh yes, son. I'm talking to you. If you let home to mama, oh yes, son. I'm talking to you. Wanna get with me with no money? Oh no, I don't want no. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We don't need the trouble, we just have fun. But there's always someone trying to show what they can do. Ooh. I only roll with my neighbors. Don't hate crime, but my niggas do good you. Don't let it be you. I'm slow. You don't wanna get involved. Get close to my jaw. He ain't gonna joke. No, you don't wanna get involved. Get close to my jaw. He ain't gonna joke. He ain't gonna joke. Oh no, he ain't gonna joke. He ain't gonna joke. Oh no, he ain't gonna joke. Ride around, sliding in the coupe whip. Bad bitch, she don't wanna do shit. Coupe big as fuck like a cruise ship. Yeah, nigga back on the cruise ship. Order to the clock on they yacht. Still acting like I'm on the back. Still get a call from the boys in the pit, putting money on the books when they lack. Bitch, nigga do it for the children. Wanna talk, never talk billions. Phone nigga might kill him. Moving at night, sliding a mic. Good nigga when you can't see him. And we might do it for no reason. It's all mood on season. Fucking like a G, don't believe him. I don't sleep, but please don't ask me why. When it comes to you, can't help but lie. When it comes to beef, I never hide. If you got a problem, don't be shy. I thought we were cool, so why you nice? Don't repeat myself, won't say it twice. Please be careful, I'm not even nice. But no road too long, I might just get the knife. We don't shoot for trouble, we just have fun. But there's always someone trying to show what you can do. Ooh. I only roll with my day one. No hate crime, but my niggas do what good do. Yeah, don't let me you. I don't small. You don't wanna get involved.
Oh my god, I almost burn my stuff. Okay, so I'm done. I look like Curly Sue. I know. Don't worry. First of all, I need to take this daggone band off of my head because it's hurting at this point. Woo child, and I really don't want that the little line across my forehead. Even though I got one, we're gonna get rid of her. We gonna get rid of her. So yeah. So as y'all can see, I got all the curls. They looking a little crazy. For some reason, when I curl my hair, regardless of how I position my hands on each side, one side always comes out different than the other. Like, it never fails. But anyways, I'm about to take my wide tooth comb and just comb out the curls because I definitely don't want them to be this freaking curly. You feel me? I'm also gonna pull some curls to the back so I can get rid of the middle part that's in my hair. This part didn't even get curled for real because my band must have been laying on it. I thought this side looked fuller. Let me go ahead and curl this real quick. So while I'm curling this, let me tell y'all, the highlights came out exactly, it came out better than I thought it was going to. So I'm really, really happy as to how my highlights came out. So, eek, I'm excited. It's not too much black, but it's not too many highlights. It's just like perfect. I really like this side. This side has more highlights than the other one, I think. I don't know, y'all let me know. Or like it's mostly highlight. It's not like individually. It's just like a gumpa highlight. I don't know how to explain it. I really don't know how to explain what I'm trying to say. But anyways. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. And I'm going to turn my hot comb back on because I don't like the top of my head to be like curled for real. So I'm going to let that warm up. And I'm just going to run my hands through the curls. Curls for the girls, baby. I'm going to take some Ruby Mousse because the top of my head is shaped very funny right now. So I'm going to get this going. On top of my head. No, it's not fully hot right now, so I'm going to let it keep warming up. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go in with baby hairs because I didn't do baby hairs last time I installed this hair. And I definitely want baby hairs now. So I'm just going to take a thin layer all across the front. I'm going to take the baby hair and I'm going to pluck out some of the hairs just so it's not super duper thick. I ain't take too much to begin with, so I don't need to do too much plucking. So once I get like this amount of hair, I'm going to cut the baby hairs. I don't know what my camera was on this day, but it did not record me doing my edges, but just know that I just used the Ruby Mousse to do everything. Okay, you guys, so I went and just laid around the house all day, and then I did my makeup for another video. Yes, I filmed 2 videos in one day, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, because I've really been trying to put out a lot of content for you guys. But anyways, this is what my hair looks like now. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's giving. I don't know what exactly it's giving, but it's giving me exactly what I need right now. So, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Do not come here and get all the tips and tricks without subscribing to your girl. Make sure you comment down below and tell me what hairstyles you want me to do next. FYI, I will be doing a lot of natural looks and protective styles for y'all coming soon, and I can't wait to do them to rock them myself. So I hope y'all enjoy. But yeah, the curls, the lusciousness is big. It's the hair really took well to the it's not dye, but the bleaching. Oh my god. Anyways, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you want to see this makeup look, just know that it will be the next video after this. I'm coming with the looks, okay? So yeah, I'm rambling. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye, mamas.